Hi guys, so today we're going to do just a really quick look with our little Storybook Cosmetics fairy tale. Wait a second. The fairy tale Storybook Cosmetics, this was in my December boxy charm. I'm going to use this one right here, the Woods. Just to set my lid. Okay. Ready. Okay, now I want to go in with a little bit darker, the basket right here. And I just want to bring it across. Same thing on the other side. Okay, so now with the red, I'm going to go in with that. What's wrong? I'm going to go in with that. And just spread that across. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we're going to use a different brush to apply different color. This brush is my BMX 402 smudger brush. We're going to go into that Bad Wolf right there. And I'm going to put that in the crease. I'm just going to tap that in. Okay. Alright guys, we're going to apply lashes and liner and I'll be right back. Okay guys, lashes are on, liner's on, so let's do the rest of our face. This is for Mommy's face.
Mommy's face.
Yeah.
That is for the lashes. That's for lashes.
Mm-hmm.
Look, it's for lashes.
Yeah.
It's for color right here.
Kaden.
Mommy, look. I paint the sun.
Good. What else you gonna paint?
I want a pink truck.
Okay. So if you guys hear my daughter in the background, don't mind her. She's just playing. Okay guys, let's go in with a little bit of that Bad Wolf underneath the eye. Because that's what I'm feeling. This all-nighter setting spray. We just used the Fenty Beauty lip balm.
Mommy, look at me.
I think that's what it's called. The Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow.
Mommy, look at me.
Sorry guys, I'm so like distracted. My daughter's in here, my cat's in here. Yes, sweetie? Wow, that is so cute. Okay. Okay, so remember this look was created with the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. I am going to be purchasing more. They have different fairy tale books, obviously. That's the whole theme. But I am going to be purchasing more, and I just hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on, or this look that I created with the Storybook Cosmetics. Okay? So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. I was about to say like it, you know, same thing. Thumbs up this video, comment if you have any questions, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!